If you run a small business, chances are you won't hire copywriters to handle all your writing projects for two good reasons. One, you may not have the budget to bring in high-powered copywriters and pay them $50 or $100 a page. Secondly, you know your business or product more than 80% of the copywriters, and no matter how hard you try to pass that information to them, you will lose something in transition. So in this case, you're left with the option to write the copies yourself. But what happens when you don't have the knowledge to write copies that convert? That simply means you will keep on writing mediocre copies in hope that it will convert. But here's the thing, the more you write these mediocre copies, the more you're flushing hundreds or even thousands of dollars down the drain. So in this video, I'm going to share with you two incredible copywriting books that can help you to learn how to craft copy that gets your customers saying, just shut up and take our money. The first book that I would like to talk about is Copywriting Handbook. This book is essential if you want to learn persuasive copywriting. It covers everything from how to craft headline that grabs attention to writing sales copy that speaks directly to your audience. Plus, the book is packed with tons of practical advice and real-life examples. The second book is Ultimate Copywriting Handbook. This book covers different copywriting formulas, psychological triggers, and persuasion techniques that you can use to create irresistible offers and call to action. So it doesn't matter whether you want to write web copy, email campaign, or even sales letter, the book can actually guide you through all of that. So that's basically the two incredible books that you can use to start your journey and write copy that converts for your business. But there are still several others. If you want to get access to these two and about 3 other ones, just comment and I will send you the link to download them all for free. Thank you for staying by and see you in the next video.